Hello, creative journalers on this fine blustery day, or as the weatherman calls it, or weather person, a blizzard-like day. I don't know what the difference is between blizzard-like and an actual blizzard, but we have over a foot of snow outside, and it's supposed to continue until midnight. So, and we've been promised 2 feet of snow. And it's snowing sideways. Lots of wind, and we may lose power. So, yay. So, today I thought we'd use Winnie the Pooh, and we're going to do a small one, just one page in the middle, because February is a short month. So, this is sold out, I believe. But who knows? They may bring it back. But I was going to use these ones in the back. I like this. If I was doing a bunch of tabs, I could do him Pooh rolling like across as a bunch of tabs. That would look adorable, just as he is here, like he's looking at us. That would look so cute. That's great. All right. I know. Of course, is going up here because he is a bouncer. I think I'm actually just going to use this whole page. Maybe. Yeah, because these guys are much smaller, so I don't think I'm going to use those ones. I'm going to pull this page out and close this book up. Move it aside for a moment. See what we can do here. I should see what can be seen in the middle and not in the middle. I know I want to put Pooh on this side here, waving at him, but I want to be able to see our friends as well. I think. But I want to have enough space to write. I don't want to get rid of too much. I think maybe I'll just do it so I can see Eeyore, and maybe we'll also have, but I don't want Eeyore looking at Pooh's butt here. So okay, that piglet there. We'll put this piglet here. That's what we'll do. Where'd I put the, do you see it? Oh, I put it under here. Look at that. I can hear the wind whipping from the snow. Oh, the snow we've had this year. Do I want to put it here? Do I move it over here? I want more space, the most space possible, but I also want to be able to have somewhat of a tab to see more over here. And sorry about that. I say that every time. I say sorry about that with those noises, like when I bump into something and it makes a loud noise. And then when I do the the editing, I realize, oh, wait, you guys won't be able to hear that because I can edit it out. I can isolate my voice. But that's okay. Always better to be polite, right? Anybody knows of a good pair of scissors, let me know. These ones, I always like my fingers fit just fine in them, but they get caught on the rubber, and I don't know, I'm looking for a good pair of scissors. So this is going to be another day where I film, edit, and get the video up the same day. I'm doing a lot of that lately. Feel like it's mostly catch up from when I fell down the stairs. I can't seem to get myself back on track, I guess. You ever done that? You just one thing just throws you completely off and you just can't get yourself back. That's where I'm at. Okay, let's put this one in here. About like that. Looks good. Line it up. Something on this page or on the it's on the back of the tape. Let's see how we're lining that up. Oh, not bad. Nice. There we go. That looks good. How many Winnie the Pooh fans do we have out here? I loved Winnie the Pooh growing up. I always thought it was so cute. I had favorite characters too. How many of you have a favorite character? I mean, if you're a Winnie the Pooh fan, you have a favorite character, of course, but what is your favorite character? You put that in the comments. I think mine went in stages depending on, my stage of life. I think it kind of changes. I think when you're young, it might be Tigger because he bounces around and seems so fun. And as a teenager, you kind of gravitate towards the Eeyore because you're like, "Oh, I'm just so depressed. Life is so dull," kind of thing. And then, uh, I don't know. Everybody has their favorites for a reason, I guess. I liked Rabbit for a while. He was like so my personality when I was a teenager and a young adult. And then Gopher. He was so confidently wrong. He just made me laugh. All right, let's get some more of this washi on here. And more characters, because I think I want to use up this whole page. It'll take up a lot of space, but it'll be fun. All right. I'm not sure what my favorite character would be right now. Oh, I like Owl. He's funny too. I don't like how that cuts off his nose. I feel like I want to go a little closer to Piglet here. Is that better? Almost. Almost there. There we go. That probably works, but now this looks like a little choppy over here. There we go. That's a little pointy. There we go. Looks weird. I'm just cutting away and cutting away. Hopefully Pooh has feet on the other side still. He does. It looks weird though. I'll fill that in with like bees and stuff. Yeah. It does look so weird over there. Let me fix this so it's not so pointy. There we go. Not so pointy. All right. That's there. There we go. Now it looks like they're standing right next to each other. That's much better. I'm gonna put Piglet over here, right next to Pooh. All right. Well, Pooh's gonna watch Tigger jump here. That makes sense. Yours down there. He's pointing at something. I need to put something over here. Should I put the bee here? Or should I put the bee up here? The bee's going here. Okay, let's pull this book back out and see what else we can put in here. Let's put this back in here. Oh, there is a tiny bee on this side, but it could have fit in there, but it's fine. It's fine right back it is. Let's see what we've got box-wise or whatever-wise I can put over here. That might look good. There we go. I'll put a gratitude list in there. There's 4 of those. I can use those for the dates. There we go. Well, I could use these because I usually put the date and then the day underneath it, and I don't know if I'll have room for that. I totally missed a page. Oh my goodness. Man. Wow. Okay. Well, there we go. That can be fixed. I'm still doing this right now. All right. We're going to fix that right now. Take a sip of tea and fix this. Maybe we leave it like this. We do something in here. You know what I'll do? We're going to finish this page the way it is, and I'm going to do something special in there. I just thought of something. I'm going to put this sign here to finish this up. There's a lot of white space, but I like it. It's okay. I'm going to fill this in with the highlighter. I'm going to call this my spread. And I'm going to do another video on that page. So there we go. my blustery day on this blustery day. So remember, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe. When you subscribe, hit the notification button so you can be notified anytime I do another video like this. And comment below, who is your favorite Winnie the Pooh character? If you feel like saying why, absolutely say why. I will comment mine below as well. And I'll see you next time.